Open the Royalq app and open a currency that is in operation. When the number of replenishment times is less than or equal to 4 times, it can switch to the sub-in mode. You need to click Trading Settings before switching to the Split Position mode. In the Split Position mode, the lift-up limit needs to be set to a number greater than or equal to 5. Set up margin call configuration. Click on Distribution and Take Profit Allocation. Set up sub-position Take Profit Callback. Set up profitability parameters for sub-positions. Click Confirm after setting. Click Confirm in the upper right corner. In the sub-in mode, the fuel cost and profit rebate will not be calculated separately for each position, and profit rebate is not calculated separately. The overall fuel cost and profit rebate of the entire currency will be calculated after all the currencies in the position are cleared. Click Confirm after setting, so that funds can be used greater. Click Strategy mode and select Split Warehouse mode Real-Time Settlement. At this time, you have successfully switched to the Split Position mode Real-Time Settlement. Click Sub-in mode, and then you have successfully switched to Sub-in mode.
Royalq.